Personal life, husband, boyfriend, dating, divorce, kids. Since the beginning, Meredith was a studious child and always remained of the top students in a class. Her acting potential was nourished when she registered for an acting school, and since then she never looked back. In the year 2017, Meredith married Patton Oswalt after dating him for a long time, following a 4-month engagement period. Her marriage ceremony was performed at the Jim Henson Studios. It is rumored that Meredith was introduced to Patton by the actress Martha Plimpton. Meredith is the stepmother to Alice Oswalt.